Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to mute notifications for likes milestones on the Instagram app when using your PC. If you're tired of getting constant alerts every time your posts hit a certain number of likes, this simple setting will help you stay focused and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Next, click on Notifications. Inside this section, you'll find several notification categories. What you want to do here is click on Push Notifications, which controls the alerts you receive while using Instagram. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Likes Milestones. This is where Instagram sends you notifications when your posts reach certain like counts. To stop these alerts, simply select Off under Likes Milestones. Once you do that, Instagram will no longer notify you about like milestones.